I made $6 from this Meta app, and we all know Meta, the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So now this brings us to this particular question: is Facebook now paying people and you don't know about it? So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining the name of this app, how this app works, how you can register on this app, and the right way to register. This app has been getting attention from a lot of users on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and some people get to ask this question of, oh, I don't get tax after registering. Now, watch this video carefully because I am going to be explaining the reason why you don't get tax and why other people get tax, and the right way to register on this app. Now, a lot of persons has been signing up on this app the wrong way. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the right way that we're going to sign up. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. Firstly, this is the one thing that I would want you to know. You don't need a VPN to access this particular app. It is available in almost all countries, but not all countries though. So the name of this app is called Meta Viewpoint, and you can get this app on your Play Store or your App Store without stress. So let's download the app. So all you just need to do is tap on install, because this is going to basically be your first time of downloading the app. So you tap on install. Yeah, now this is one thing I would want you to know. If you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, and some other African countries, this app, you don't need an invitation code or a referral link for you to sign up, right? So all you just need to do is, after watching this video carefully, go back to your Play Store, your App Store, and download the app. So once you're done downloading the app, you open up the app and you're going to see something like this. Okay, they said, welcome to Viewpoints, get rewarded for participating in research. So basically this app just needs feedback because they want to create more apps and they want to know the kind of app that people use more, so that they can create something similar to that or something more better than that. So that's what basically the main reason for this particular app, right? So all you just need to do is tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they are going to take you to this interface. Please and please, I want you to take note, do not sign up with phone number. Do not sign up with phone number. So for this video tutorial, I created a new Facebook account, and I'm going to be making use of that new Facebook account that I created for this particular account. So let's see how it goes. So all you just need to do is tap on this continue with Facebook. I repeat, don't sign up with phone number. If you sign up with phone number, you're not going to get taxed. Okay, now all you just need to do is add in your phone number, your email address, adding your email address and your password. Now, if you don't have an email linked to your Facebook, I would firstly advise you to go over to your Facebook, link an email, and maybe change your password. That is, if you don't remember your password, then you come back here, add your email address, your password, and then you tap on next. So once you tap on next, you're going to find something like this. You can choose to save the password, or either ways, whichever one that pleases you. Then you're going to see something like this. Okay, now because of the Facebook account that I created currently is a mail account, which is just good luck for this particular. So you're seeing good luck summer, country of residence Nigeria. Like I said, you do not need a VPN. Then you add your date of birth. Now there's something I'm going to advise you to do here. I would want you to like pick something between 18 to maybe 30. Yes, I would advise for you to pick something like that, and I'm going to tell you the reason why later on in this video. Then you pick the language that you speak more often. All you just need to do is search for your language. If you're in Nigeria, you can search for Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, English, whichever one that you know that you can speak very, very well. Okay, so I'm going to just pick English for this tutorial, and then they are going to ask you for a second language, which is optional though, but if you want, you can add it. So because I am an Igbo, so I'm going to be picking Igbo for my second language. Okay, so after picking my second language, I'm going to tap on done. Now you're going to be finding this next interface where they said referral code. It is not, in fact, you do not need a referral code to earn or withdraw from this particular or invitation link. Just so after setting this, then you tap on done.
Now they
Get
said
notif
choose where you want
get
to receive
updated with
notifications. Please, I
notifications.
would
Choose
advise
how
you
you
to
want to
pick
receive updates
email
about
because
program.
you are,
Please make
don't forget that
sure
we
you
used email
choose
to
on.
register when we are
In
trying to
fact,
sign up,
choose both.
and we did not use a phone
I don't
number,
know, let
so
us
rather you
pick
pick
email,
email.
then allow Viewpoint to send
This just
marketing
simply means
emails,
whenever you have a
please.
new tax, they're going
Because
to be
this is
sending
going
you
to,
email telling
whenever
you,
you
okay,
have a
you have a
new.
tax, come and claim it and stuff like that. Then you tap on allow and continue. So once you tap on allow and continue, you're going to be taken right into the Meta Viewpoint app interface.
Now they said, find, okay, welcome to Viewpoint. Good luck. Thanks for joining us. Participate in programs. Earn points. Reach 1,000 points to get $3. Then you tap on continue to programs.
So once you're in the app like this, all you just need to tap on is this learn about programs. Now you carefully read now. Okay, let the set programs. Programs can include tasks, research, surveys, or trying new products. Point and reward. You earn points for every program or task. So just basically take your time to like scroll down and read about their program and all of that. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long like the rest of my videos, and it's going to be very short and detailed. And so let's get started into something that you need to know. Firstly, you might sign up and you get tax immediately, right? Now, like I said, use Facebook to sign up, right? Now the second thing that you need to notice is this. Now, from my own observations, because I've done a lot of research about this particular app, and I noticed that if you created a brand new Facebook account, as long as that Facebook do not have much data, you're not going to get taxed immediately, right? Now let me take my first, which is my main Viewpoint account for an instance. The very first time that I signed up on Viewpoint, I got taxed immediately, which is that study tax whereby you earn 85 points per one tax that you complete, right? So I was able to get tax immediately. Why? Because my Facebook was, I think it's kind of 3 to 4 years now, like 3 to 4 years old. So I got tax. So the first thing that you need to notice, if you created a new Facebook account for this, you might not get tax almost immediately. That is one. Secondly, your tax is going to depend more on your country. Now, if you're in a country like USA, you tend to get higher tax than people that are in Africa, precisely. And if you stay in USA, or you maybe you have a USA Facebook account and you stay in USA, then you are going to be able to get a referral code that you can use to earn commission, right? So now this is basically how my own Viewpoints account looks like, and I have over. So I've already made over $6 already, which is 2,000 points from this particular app called Viewpoint. But that's not the reason why we're here, right? So, and thankfully today I have a task that I am to complete. So I'm just going to show you guys and walk you through what it looks like to complete tasks. Now, when they say tasks, you are not joining WhatsApp groups, you're not joining Instagram. Sorry, you are not following people on Instagram or TikTok. This is just basically you just clicking on few things. So let me show you what tax looks like. Over here in my dashboard, I have 3 available programs that I am currently participating on. So now if you can see clearly from my own end, you can see that there's this one button, this bell icon button, that is to show that I have one tax at the time, which is this my study tax. So all I just need to do is tap on resume program. This study tax that this arrow is pointing at, that's my current tax that is available currently. So once I tap on this resume program, this is what you're going to see. So once I tap on the bell icon, you're going to see this interface. Now they said a new tax is available. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to take me to this next interface. They said a new tax is available. Then you tap on start now, right? So once you tap on start now, it's going to take you back to this interface, and then you just scroll down a little bit and you tap on start tax, right? So once you tap on start tax, this is the next interface that you're going to see. Now they said send your data to complete the task. Now what is this data? This data is simply the apps that you used between this period. Now for my own, they said this is from May 6 2026 to May 9 2026. So all of the apps that I used within these 3 days, they are going to collect the data because they are using this thing to
to improve more on the apps that they are going to be creating. Like I said earlier when this video started, I said they need this data for feedback on apps to create, right? So just tap on this send data and voila, you've earned 85 points just by clicking on send data. So basically you are not joining Facebook groups, it's just basically you giving them your data, probably like all of the apps that you used within that short period of time before your next tax. They just take the data to help with their program, and that's just basically what you do. Now there are tasks that I do and I earn 250 points. Now like this AI app usage survey. Now let me just tap on resume program. As you can see, my next task is going to be available in 3 days and I'm going to earn 250 points. So now this is a history of my earnings so far. You can see task completed 250, task completed 250, 50, 85, and all of that. So let me take you guys back to when I first created my account. So after creating my account, I got this message immediately that I have a program. So when I tapped on join now, this was what I saw. They said allow Viewpoint to access your app usage. Like I said, they need to collect feedback. So you tap on allow and go to setting. So now this particular phone is a Redmi device. So just once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this place. You turn on this permit usage access. Make sure it is being turned on. Without this you cannot get taxed, right? So once you turn it on, as a normal Redmi phone, they are going to show you this danger signs and all of that. You just tick this place and tap on OK. Then you come back to your profile and then you cannot access your tax. Without doing this, you cannot get tax at all. Now you can see they said you are good to go. Then you tap on join program. Okay, please make sure you turn it on your own device. Now they said send your data to complete the tax. All you just need to do, all I just did then was just send data and I earned 85 points. So this might be the reason blocking you from getting tax. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually cash out your money through PayPal from any African country that you are in, because it is quite obvious that a lot of Africans don't have access to PayPal, but they only have access to Visa prepaid, and that's just the option there for most Africans like Nigeria. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys the exact way that I used to cash out my money using PayPal. So let me know in the comments if you are going to be trying out this app called Meta Viewpoint. And if you have already downloaded this app, tell us your experience in the comment section. If you were able to get tax or where you're stuck, probably are you stuck in your withdrawal process or something, so that I can know what next to bring to you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first person to get notified when I post the withdrawal video on Monday. Now, if you're the kind of person that you love make money online apps, dating apps, live streaming app, then trust me, you would really want to watch this video here, because trust me, you are actually going to love it. Bye for now, my friends.